Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will solve another problem from the Algo expert. So the problem name is knowledge difference. So basically problem state that you will be given two unsorted arrays, array 1 and array 2, and your task is to find out the pairs of element one from each array such that their absolute difference is the smallest and you need to return the smallest difference. So basically if there is a one example, let's say 10, 20, 30. This is array 1. And another array 2 is, let's say, 17 and 15. So you need to return the smallest difference between any two pairs from the each array. So let's say if we take this pair 10 and 17, the absolute difference is 7. But if we take 10 and 15, the difference 5. So here the smallest difference is yeah, we are getting 5 in the next smallest difference. If we take 17 and 20, here we are getting the smallest difference 3. And if we take 15 and 30, the difference is 15. But here you can see that 3 is the smallest difference we can get. So 3 is the answer. So this is the problem. Now, how you can solve this problem? To solve this problem, the basic brute force approach will be like you will like compare each values from the each element from the array. Basically, for 10 you will compare the 17 and 15 and find out the and tracking the difference minimum difference there. For each element you need to tracking the like for 10 you are tracking, then again 20 you are doing the same, and for 30 also you are doing the same. So that means basically for you are comparing each pair of values from the each of the array, and then you need to track the minimum difference, and then you return this. So here basically you are doing the out like one for loop for tracking this, and inside this for loop there will be another for loop for iterating this and comparing each pair of value. So that's mean you are basically doing the order of n square operation. So that's mean the time complexity is order of n square, but we need to reduce this. So how can we reduce this? Okay. So basically you see that whenever, let's try and take another example. Let's say. So basically, like when you try to find out, like minimize the absolute difference from the each pair of value from the taking each element from the array. So that's mean like when you take one, and you need to find out the what is the closest number is available, like that we can track uh, from the one. Basically, what is the closest? What you need to do? Basically, you need to find out the what is the closest number of one. So here you can see the closest number is 1 is 8. So the difference is 7. Now moving to 3. What is the closest number of 3? 3 also you are getting the closest number is 8. So then 3 minus 8 is 5. And if you take take 15, what is the closest number of 15? 15 is closest number is basically 19. So here is 4. If you take 11, 11 the nearest number is can be 8 as well, also 19 as well, but 8 minus 11 which is 3, but 11 minus 19 also that is more than 3, so I'm not taking this. For 2 also, what is the nearest number? 2 is also 8, but the difference is 6. So here you can see the smallest difference is basically 3. So basically what we are doing we are doing basically for each number we are trying to find the closest number that available from the array 2. So how that can be done? So basically we need to for that so you need to sort these two array. So if I sort this, so first array became let's say 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, then 15. And this array should be 8, then 19, 10, 23, 27 to 35. So now how can solve this problem? As this array is already sorted, so you already know that the first to find out the closest number of one, it will be always the first number from the second array because other the right side of this array is always greater than 8. So this could be our one smallest difference that we can find out for one. Okay, so basically if I take the smallest difference, so let's say smallest 8 minus 1 is 7. Now what do we do? Again, like as we are getting 1 and 8, okay, and we are getting smallest difference 7. Now we are seeing that 8 is the greater than 1. Okay, so if we increase the pointer of array 2, that's mean if we increase the pointer of array 2, that's mean we are at first it will point to this, let's say, and if we increase the pointer here, now the difference gets larger, right, not reducing. So we need to reduce the difference. To reduce the difference we need to decrease the increase the ith pointer. If I is pointed to the first element, now it will point to the second element, and this is happens while array 2 array 2 of j greater than array 1 of I. So when this happen, that's mean basically the array 2 value is greater than array 1. So that's mean we need to, if we want to reduce the difference, we will increase the array 1 pointer, not array 2 pointer. If we increase the array 2 pointers, the difference gets larger, right, because the array 2 is already sorted. If we moving to the right side, the value gets, the difference value is getting larger, so we need to reduce this. So to reduce this we will increase the ith pointer here. That's mean basically array 1 pointer. So in that case we will, what we'll do, we will increase the ith pointer. Now I is point to 2 and j is 8. Again we calculate the difference, so difference is 2 minus 8 is 6. Now again we are seeing that 8 is greater than 2, so again we need to increase the ith pointer. So now I will point to 3. Okay, now again we calculating the difference. The difference is 8 minus 3 is 5. Now again we are seeing the 8 is greater than c, so we need to increase the ith pointer again once again. So now I is point to 11. Now again calculating the difference, so difference means 8 minus 11 is 3. Now we can see that 8 is smallest, mean array of I is greater than array of, sorry, this should be array 1 I of array 2 of j. That's been basically the opposite of the first condition. Okay, so if that case happen, so what do we need to do? If we increase the ith pointer once again, it will basically increase the difference, so we need to reduce the difference. So to reduce the difference we will increase the array 2 pointer. So that's been now j will point to this element 19, right? Now again calculating the difference, 11 minus 19, which is 8. But here again comes like 19 is greater than 11, so we need to increase the ith pointer once again. So now I will point to the at the end. Here we are again. We will check that what is the difference. Difference is 15 minus 9 is 4. But now we can see the I is still like array 1 I is less and array 19 is greater than 15. So again we need to increase the I pointer. If I do increase the I pointer, the array 1 iteration got over. So we'll break the while loop and check the what is the smallest number possible, smallest number we get from this is from this value. We are getting 3. So this 3 could be our answer, and we need to tag this 3. Basically we need to, if any minimum value we are getting, we need to update this minimum with this value. Okay, now I'm just write down the pseudocode here. So basically you need to sort the array 1 and array 2 first. Let's just sort. After sorting this array 1, array 2, we need to take two pointer. One pointer for tracking the array 1 value and another pointer for tracking the array 2 value. So I is for array 1 and j is for array 2. And both with initialize the first value of the each array. Now I will do a while loop while I less than, let's say, array 1 length and j less than array 2 dot length. If one of this array gets over, then we need to break this while loop. That's why I'm writing this. That's we have done here as well. Right? So after doing this, we will calculate the minimum. So I at first I will take minimum. I will take the max value of like integer. So integer dot max value. Then I will check the update the minimum. If we are getting the minimum value, we have to dot to min comma. This should be ABS of array 1 I minus array 2 of j. So we are updating the minimum. Then we will check if array sorry, array 1 I is less than array 2 of j. That's been basically what we need to do here. Basically when array 2j value is greater than array 1, so we need to increase the ith pointer. Here you can see we increase the ith pointer again. So here basically we need to just increase the ith pointer, and else we just need to increase the jth pointer. Okay, and at of the end of this while loop we just need to return the our mean value that we are tracking. Okay. So this is the solution. I hope you are able to understand. So please do subscribe my channel for more content. Thank you.